So once upon a time there was a life support system for an MRI magnet. Now you can see it in better light. Power comes in there. This is our compressor to keep the machine stable while it's being transported. And this, as you can see, can move up and down when it's on a ship. So when the container is shaking, this will self-balance and self-regulate and stabilize it. And then there is the system monitor, or SVU, and then the magnet itself. And this container gets shipped all the way from the other side of the world with this precious cargo.
That's fine. It will be fine. We won't make lumps. We will be fine.